Okay, here's the bottom freezer drawer. That's the top tray, and it looks kind of similar to the video that you posted. I'm not quite sure exactly what you do after you unscrew that screw in that recess there. But it looks like you can probably lift that section up. But as far as the gears, I'm not sure how to do it. I've never found occasion to remove the top tray. But here's how it slides out. So I pulled it out a bit. I haven't unscrewed anything. But anyway, I'm not going to try to pull that top tray out because I don't really know how to do it, and the manual doesn't really tell you anything. The manual that came with the fridge. Okay, so that's the top tray. The bottom tray, however, is easily pulled out. You just lift it up. And so it's just sitting on these, on this little shelf here on both sides. And so let me show you. Try to do it without the drawer self-closing. But you just grab it, say, from the front and the back and just lift it up. No problem. So that, what I would do is just lift that tray out, and then you have access with the drawer open to clean the bottom down there. I think that's all you need to do. I don't know how you'd pull this out, and I wouldn't want to fool with it. There's not really a reason to. So once you have this totally pulled out, so you have room to get at that bottom surface there. So that's what I would do. Okay, hope this helps.